This is a 2016 Forest River Vibe. It's the light edition. It's a triple bunk with a bunk room in the rear, 50 amp dual air conditioner. So you've got the water fill and the city water connection when we're at the campsite. This one's a gas and electric water heater, so if you're at a campsite you can use electricity instead of propane. Save you money, save you time not having to swap out bottles. This one just got traded in yesterday, checking in today. It's a 2016 model. It ain't brand new. It's a lot of trailer for the money. We've got a backup camera, spare tire, satellite connection. Here's your outside kitchen. Big outside kitchen. So a big little dorm room size refrigerator. Sink big enough to wash your hands in, wash some catfish off. Got the electric tongue jack, electric stabilizer jacks, electric awning. This one is like 7,900 pounds tow and weight. It's a 312 BHS. It's a triple slide. Please ignore, some of this stuff. We're checking it out, getting it ready, making sure everything works. So we've got a bunk room in this one. This lays down to make a bed, and so does this. So sleeping 1, 2, 3 at least in the bunk room. We've got the TV, the ladder, a little bit of storage for the kids or whoever's back here. Gas electric refrigerator, a ton of counter space. Got a brand new faucet just got installed, getting installed. Call it the baby bed, dinette baby bed. 2 electric recliners, and they darn near lay down all the way. So you might call it a 5th and 6th bed. Cup holders and USB charging ports across from the TV and the radio stereo system. Queen bed in the front. Dedicated air conditioner in mom and dad's room. So again, 50 amp dual air, easy to keep this thing cool. You can see the barrel effect to the ceiling, and it just means it's going to feel taller in here. It's a brand new radio, just installed, still got the plastic on it. So plenty of leg space for the stool. Corner shower with the skylight, medicine cabinet, storage under the sink. Like I said, not a brand new one, but it's not priced like a brand new one either. Is there anything else to show off? Lots of cabinet storage in the front, centralized control area. Give me a call anytime. Erik DESHANE at Camperland, 918-504-7727. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up and give me a subscribe, please. Thank you.